Tizi tikuvavarira tikushingirira mwari ndirikuzama ndikubatanza ndrimutadzi dzimwe nguva ndombokanganisa mwari shungu dzangu nebuduro yangu nematisanganisa ndomboshinga dzimwe nguva ndombopingwa ndine mazano obari muchipfuva daizvaibvira yachikwana nguva kuzama ndirikuzama asi yareba nguva mwari pindirai mukubata umu mwari pindirai mukushanda umu mwari pindirai mukufamba umu mwari pindirai imo mukutamba umu ndine mazano obari muchipfuva.
So I guess this is the example of the car that I want. But I see Andrew Budamanje, Andrew Dashner Pretoria. But yeah, this is the car. Feel me? This is the car. It's a small car, but yeah, this is the car that I want. It's a Chevrolet Spark. It's a Chevrolet Spark. Feel me? It's a Chevrolet Spark. Let me show you the back. Oh. Let me show you the back. So yeah, this is how it looks like. But Andrew Budamanje is in Pretoria side. Yeah, it's not some condition Andrew Budamanje. Yeah. Ona kuona kamera kunze deso but mukati yati oreyo iyi. My specs are akanyora chona. Sure, this is the car that I want. Let me know guys if it looks nice, if it's small and cute for me. You know? Ndini ndakachikora hangu ini ndruko nemukadzi wangu akachikora ruko. Hey. How does it look, guys? Let me know. Let me know down in the comment section. You know me? Yes, the models. Yes, the Minda. Yes, the models. Yes, the Minda models. Guys, that's like a push angu mujoni. I am ordinary and mother. Ndrana kana pabuleka. Yo ayini makwana?
Yeah, mbona ndizo.
Manake. Ndoda kana ayo. Dena wana pabuleka. Sasa siko yo.
Ndo kona toraza yani ngatopeleka.
Mbona ukosikia wangu? Aringa madiki bishana.
Mzee mangi jodere.
Pande wara kora tembo ngo. Tembo ngare nzire. Mangi jodere akapenga. Bogezera makula yo. Ndo kudonzi ndora mnoro yero.
Ndo gaidi.
Ndoro kana chiro. Chombo wa content. Mchaso na pa TV.
Mauro konenda manya
mwa. Tambo tengerwa doro na kules.
1 liter, let's take service.
Ko 1 liter ina kashate. Bosana ma price mari. Rashate 1 liter ajuro. Iruna mari. Send se onse ko iruna mari liter ajuro. Gatori liter ajuro ngara tupachena.
299.
Ngara motore liter ajuro.
Ina no tenga tuma service. Atenge service.
Alright, go.
Yena in economics.
Makes him so rude.
Ani monaro wa gin and tonic era ndokoteka delivery na jail.
Chiro. Dimozi yaso kapenda. Dimozi yaso no pesa. Johannesburg. So guys, we are in Johannesburg. Zongo fama ni zaida. Munodona hapa. Kula fama ni ma capital letters. Fama ni ma small letters munodona kule. Hey guys, what's good? Hope you're doing okay. It's another day, another day, another dollar, baby. You know what I'm saying? So guys, today we out here in Johannesburg, and we are here. We are here in Johannesburg. Anyways, guys, are out here in Johannesburg, Johannesburg side, Johannesburg, Jimmy Sting side. Feel me? Yeah, man, it's another day, another dollar. Just a normal day, random day, nyana. Feel me? Spending a day with me here in Johannesburg. Oyo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Oyo, mera semana. It's another day, another dollar. We're chilling in Boxburg. Na mbupereke zamani nongo ada uyo suruga kuno. Ndakakula daura merena kukuratidza statue. Avaruko musoro wacho ndo wakati kure. Musoro wacho ndo muombe chete. But I was still musoro wakakura. Musoro muombo. Saya. Gen pindo mbaba muno. Pindo mbaba ndigero. Feel me? Yeah. Well.
कोण आहे खेळू तू तो पाण्याच्या कवे
Which one? You want to see what?
I say our job is professional job.
Yeah, I can see.
Our job not the.
Let's see. So guys, la pizza kukero. And I said, my name. But the Jaguar Zagara man no pizza. So make sure stay tuned, watch the end, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay. I think I'll follow crochet for the wrong man. Don't crochet for the wrong boss. Right. Get him bonus or yes. My way. How about you? Sorry, Moon one is my way. Get him bonus, guys. Vamos no pedaço da pera. Vamos no pedaço da pera. Sasa wolo kwane facility iya fudu. Chicho kwana shi. Ijeo. Aenda Buddha. Aenda Buddha. Utozona nyanga pa glass about. Kuti paita top soup ya mofu pana. Kana munhu nyepa wanongono tarama na mudzi womunhu. Paita top soup pana. It is. Get him bona pizza. We're buying some eggs. Masaya cheaper kuno. That's like $3. 6 rand crate. That's like $3. Yeah. Anchengika tu. Masina kwa wana tuchengika kuno South Africa tu. Feel me? So I get to chenga mazai. Station. Right. Guys, do yesterday here. Msuro nike bus yao ya mazoona. So you don't see yesterday. You don't see. Aina sita. Koma ni zaro ya. Wakomana mani vanonyara komana. But I really nice. You're nice. Don't go see.
What's the name for?
I'm sure washu kuita tamuka jeje. Tamuka coaches. Barine zamana. Tara kurequesta, I don't see. Tara kurequesta in drive. Baba 10. Many ne tamuka coaches. Tara kurequesta in drive baba 10. And then boat. Boat yana in drive. I don't know. So yeah, stay tuned. On. Ama pala ngara banira. Par bogari bana. Par road bane mota. Abaitika. Mwa noise china ipere. So guys, in drive. Whoa, nenda masa musara bo. Tosanga na mangwana. Oh. Merasi. How's it? Anasema mix. Hola tu. Okay. Tutashika tena. Tukutengeso guys. Atanga kuyani mumbi. Mumbi ngani hema nini?
Sanye pero.
Amsutengeso. Vakawanikwa. Bara atanga kunza mombe ndiye murizi wemunhu. Apa mumva magulu apa zuwa. Pazwa mumva maitonge makanaka maini kusina. Baladi. Wait, let me see baladi. Say my mixing is the baladi.
We even was.
Wait.
Yeah.
Say the ball.
We even.
Hey. Morning guys, it's another day, another dollar. Right now I wanna go to the mall to open. To open my SIM card. Alena kura karasika so ndakunovhura SIM card rangu. Nekasvika. Ndakunovhura SIM card rangu. So I just requested Uber and I asvika. So let's go together to the mall and see what's popping. Let's get it. Get up.
testimonies of several witnesses before the commission. He has been linked to alleged crime boss Vusumuzi Kat Matlan. Live to the commission, and this is where we find Kai News reporter Tsulofelo Tsobu.
So guys, tapita tamu manje. Yeah, we are now in the mall. So I'm trying to Tioko. Yeah. So I'm doing my updates, my easy. I can do one. Stay tuned. Guys, that's what I'm seeing after a long struggle. Couldn't think a line I found a good proof of residence. That's what guys are young chat GPT. When the one about terms who farmers get. You know, I get to once I would register it. Then I'm taking my register through WhatsApp. I don't know. Maybe it's new system. But let's try to register to no problem. Let's go. How about these big ones? They're going for how much? This one? This one's going how much? 150. You then get this one for free. Let me try this one. So guys, I'm going to take a spray. Then yeah, Karim Katu. So now I will request in drive in the Kumba. Hello, how's it? I'm good. Can I please have quota in Russian? I have to wait for 5 minutes. Okay, sharp, I'll wait. Which one is the best? The quota between the quota with Vienna or with Russian? No, I'm going something chekuchi. Sana ndo varombo mira wa ni chingwa. So, let's wait. They got mira. So guys, another day, another dollar. Tuvana pa taxi kwa makula yo. Kunokuwa nikumpakisana kana kupano makula yo. So tunomutenga upfu ne mafuta ne vinegar. So yeah, tuarabaya tin. So stay tuned. Amana, most believe what masina and amatenga 15 rand. My grapes I bought them for 15 rand. Muno South Africa. Zimbabwe. And I did $5. Man, and do zero kuti my grapes muruma wana kupi. Murukuti ya kuhoda kuku America. Wesu Cape Town nika pa unoto mana na 10 rand because kune ma wine farms. So my grapes aka cheaper shukudaro. Zimbabwe. Everything is very expensive. Anyways, ndawaya bana mining bana. Uzotenga ma grapes aya. Emeni manje narubadara baruko kwawo. Warubadara baruko kwawo. Sorry. So yeah. Namani nara. Yeah. Wakanga unafunika. Unyare. Wanyara. Nyara. Oh. Yeah. Waruira again. So yes, that's what about then. Get me in. You so that was get me in one. Get you man. So guys, night was Farm Room Road. Anasangana nao nepa den vanangonzi anangotengwa nesinigirigirira. Ndina mainini mchapezera ma famous pachane pangu. Anyways guys, tukubva kuma shops takwenda padeni. You know the Milk Scout. Honestly, these are taste nice. Ramfane black label. No black label. I don't want black label. Nema super. But anyways guys, now we're going home and we're out here in the streets of Johannesburg. It's cool as you can see. So make sure to stay tuned. Morning guys. I know this log is gonna be so freaking long. But yeah man, it's another day, another solar. I don't even know this date here. But yeah, I'll watch again. It's fun up it. Then I'm checking it. Is that my yeah? think they're dry. Because we got somewhere to go today. Today tutakwenda is my camera wiped? Okay. That's tutakwenda ku Pretoria. You feel me? Tono check something there. Tono check a motor. We're gonna go and check a car to Rebecca's. So I wanna go and check it and do a young road test, nyana, you feel me? And then I already deposited already. So and it is thrown out zvinopera sei. So ndinachimbocheka muzangu dzawo merusero and then ndogeza and then we'll go together to Pretoria. You feel me? Stay tuned. So guys, we're very late for the appointment. Very, very late. I've seen from people, these guys, they are full of nonsense. They are full of nonsense, those guys. So guys, the restaurant Mari, in drive. So guys, and there's a lot of cars there, but I'm gonna show you the car tomorrow, not today. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go for a road test now. Here's the car. The engine of the car. Guess what car it is? With the engine. Yeah. So guys, video good creator. So guys, some of the man, no, he break again, can't break. Well, I'm about to know what it is. So I don't know to say with a man. I'm about to my break. But he must seek in the jail to both the Babu, no think a chingo. Any break, not think a low for chingo in the green. Yago can go in my I haven't got my that almost tower. That almost tower and Zakasha no rare phone is great. But that's motor, yes. It must spray and cleaner. Oh, your motor, a polish dashboard, wax. But that's a motor. I'm a motor girl. Come on. Anga zvinhu zvizizvawo mana shini 90 rand ndanimborinaye ndakazoigovera maina unyarorera chingwa chavo ndikutorire chingwa che 10 rand chibuda zvinga zvingani menini guys ndo chingwa chepa South Africa ichi 10 rand makunyaka hatisi kufamba enda wachakufamba sazviri so easy. Yes, today is the day ndautenga mafuta ekuzora sana mafuta and then that's the day to buy the car. Feel me? And ndautenga cash out mari muno mu Shoprite, so kuti wandipe cash out before utanga ndatenga chinga chimwe chinhu maize, so ndakatenga mafuta and then ndo ndakwakuita cash out, ndauta cash out so ndokupai update zvakamira sei. But yeah, stay tuned. Tapadhuze mai notenga kamota kaika meno kuti tobude. I'm so nervous. I will tell you kuti zvafamba sei. Hazvasiri easy. Paitika nyaya dzakawanda kuti kuzondakwaso katenga handofema because zvasiri nyore. Anyway, stay tuned. So pane maflavors akawanda, but I'm sure you all know kuti ndozora don mamwe sandizora. So you can try it on this one. You can try this flavor too. Deposit my account. To deposit my account. So guys, we are still in the meeting, and behind me there's a lot of thousands of cars. and now we're sitting on this table, as you can see. So the guys they went for ECS, I think. But yo, I guys are busy. That all my crocs is wrong. Yeah, mo. Wrong order. And you can see the rubber bench. Bricks. Zemari. So we buy Cars Cafe. They offer food also. We buy cafe. Feel me? So guys, okay. Amanda. Makaona kamota kama ni mzukuru wangu bana basi. Zanzi kuzoita rap zazi. Amanda ka anyways. Yo. Sazaramba. Anyways Amanda timunomuya kusuma. And we just finished buying the car, you feel me? Asante kwa mapipa guys, tapo. Hopefully. Aja time it. Okay guys, so now we're going out and let me show you my car. It's gonna pass through here. Look at other cars so long though. Look at other cars so long though. Look at the whole compound. That's the car. Don't rob me when you see me. Okay. Oh, no problem. So yeah, guys. What the hell? What the hell? Guys, tipo pada tangira. Do pada tangira. Do pada tangira. Do pada tangira, guys. Do pada tangira. How is it? Let me know. Anyways, we're waiting for it. Feel me? Guys, rather dollar. Duva mshopi yo, yemakula. Matenga, you know. So guys, duva unotenga. Ndasiya mabox ashona mukatu. I didn't need them, like, and I didn't need. Duva unotenga masina ya. The modulator for the radio, of course. For the radio, they're charging my phone, so let's put it. Adiga. Okay. Yeah, so this is what I was buying, the modulator, and then this one is the phone holder. You know, obvious content creators, we need this one. Feel me? Yeah. So yeah, let's do it. So guys, it's the Sunday, but yeah, this is the phone holder to put the phone to see the GPS. And I start near the aircon so that it's not overheating, you know, iPhones. So yeah, this is the car. Now we're going to service it before I go back to Zimbabwe. So guys, this is a car. Tires on this car. So guys, tires on this car. Memphis wangu kana mchumuzio.
Blackout.
Woyo blackout blacks. I don't think uga motor, so I'm not car say tires ukaona. And then yeah, this is my car. You guys are going to give you a full tour. But yeah, this is the car. When you come here, you pay a tour. So yeah, this is the car. And then I think this car was used for deliveries, as you can see by my bus here. And then this is the interior. You can see the interior is very clean. So you can see, and then at the back there, it's a very big booty because Panama bus and it was used for delivery. So I have to put a seat if I want to. So for now, it's a two-seater. You know what I'm saying? For now, it's a two-seater. You can see. For now, there's a very big boot inside. because of, you know, it was used for deliveries. But yeah, this is the interior. Feel me? And and this is the steering, and this is the dashboard. It's not bad though. It's a nice car. Yeah, here's the radio, you know, everything. So yeah, this is the car. So what I wanna do is I wanna look for, you know, let me close the door nicely. I wanna look for my rims or my wheel cover. Because I know my original rims and some of my they are not bad though. I asked my rim that it's simba ya tosi ya a black guy. My rim actually my original papa. As you can see, the shape for papa, but I'm from fire. So you know, I need to do something and put my wheel covers. Those are my Meg. So yeah, this is the car, and let me show you from the front. So yeah, this is the car from the front. Show me. This is it from the front. This car from the front. So I guess let me know in the comment section if the car is, you know, if the car is super beautiful. It's not bad for, you know, it's not bad for a start. For a start, it's not bad. So I bet guys, thank you for watching the video today. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Please, if you've watched the video to the end, write W new car in the comment section. W new car, W new car, W new car. Anyways, guys, we're still in South. I'm gonna give you an update with what's happening. Or I'm going back to Zimere. I'm gonna keep on giving you the vlogs. Anyways, write W car, W new car in the comment section if you've reached to the end. Let's get it.